Join me as I dive deep into the world of Bbai stock to figure out if it's really about to explode. Bbai stock has been gaining attention in the current market, and for good reason. As a cutting-edge technology company, Bbai has positioned itself at the forefront of innovation, making it a stock to watch for many investors. Its relevance in the market stems from its unique approach to solving complex problems, making it an attractive option for those looking to diversify their portfolios. If you're considering investing in Bbai or simply curious about its potential, you're in the right place. Bbai faces stiff competition in the tech industry, with numerous players vying for market share. This competition can be a significant challenge, affecting investor sentiment and ultimately, the stock's performance. Recent trends have shown that Bbai has struggled to maintain a consistent upward trajectory, raising concerns among investors about its future growth. Additionally, the company's recent performance has been marred by fluctuations in revenue, further complicating the picture for potential investors. The tech industry is known for its rapid evolution, and Bbai must adapt quickly to stay ahead. Shifts in market trends can have a profound impact on the stock's value, making it essential for investors to stay informed. Moreover, Bai's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve will be crucial in determining its future success. Investor sentiment can also play a significant role in the stock's performance, as positive or negative outlooks can drive price movements. Expert opinions on Bbai stock are varied, reflecting the complexities and uncertainties of the tech market. Some analysts believe that the company's innovative approach and strong leadership could drive growth and increase its stock value. However, others express caution, citing the competitive landscape and potential regulatory hurdles. Understanding these differing viewpoints is essential for making informed investment decisions. Recent news and earnings reports have provided valuable insights into Bai's current state. The company's latest earnings report showed a mixed bag, with some positive trends offset by areas of concern. Market trends, too, have influenced Bai's stock price, with shifts in investor sentiment causing fluctuations. Delving deeper into these factors can help uncover whether Bbai is on the cusp of a significant price increase. Bai's stock price has been influenced by various factors, including recent announcements and expert opinions. A critical analysis of these factors reveals a complex picture, with both positive and negative indicators. Upcoming events, such as product launches or earnings reports, could serve as a pivotal moment for the stock, potentially driving significant price movements. A close watch on these developments will be essential for investors looking to make informed decisions. The critical analysis of Bbai stock points to several key factors that could signify whether it's poised for a significant price increase. A deep dive into the company's financials, market trends, and competitive landscape reveals a nuanced picture. Any upcoming events or announcements could serve as a catalyst for the stock's future performance. Keeping a close eye on these developments will be crucial for investors. In conclusion, Bbai stock presents a compelling case for investors, with its innovative approach and strong leadership. However, challenges and uncertainties remain, and it's essential to weigh these factors carefully. Share your thoughts on Bbai in the comments below. Are you bullish or bearish on this stock? Don't forget to check out my other videos for more stock insights and analysis to help you make informed investment decisions.